Do you want to work to transform the society around you by curating equitable and inclusive policies for all? Do you want to know what a public policy career entails and its relevance today? Are you struggling in identifying the right skill set for yourself to step into the world of policy making, especially in this tech savvy era? Are you interested in knowing the career trajectories of public policy professionals and how they navigate the complexities of a political landscape? If your answer to these questions is yes, then IMPRI, Impact and Policy Research Institute, New Delhi, has the perfect opportunity for you. Careers in Public Policy, an initiative of IMPRI, is an online national monsoon workshop program, a 3-day immersive online introductory career counseling and awareness certificate training workshop, which will be held on 22nd to 24th August 2023 from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. The course will be facilitated by our eminent panelists, including policy professionals working with the Government of India, civil servants, academicians, civil society members, and corporate public policy executives who will share their knowledge and expertise with you. This 3-day immersive course will guide the participants in navigating the field of public policy, providing insights about diverse career paths and the challenges it poses. It will allow them to network with a panel of expert practitioners and renowned academics who will share their real world experiences in public policy. Participants will also gain insights into the process of formulation and implementation of policies. I, Nikita Bhardwaj, on behalf of IMPI, Impact and Policy Research Institute, New Delhi, invite you to join us for Careers in Public Policy certification program. Enroll now and kickstart your career in the field of public policy.